This is Advanced Math Unit 10 Take-Home Quiz. Now I'm not going to actually completely do a problem, but I do want to talk about a few just like I would in class. Find domain and asymptotes. Remember, domain you find before reducing, everything else after. So I'm going to factor. And I'm actually not going to factor. I'm going to let you guys factor, and that was it. Just a reminder that you do the domain first and everything else after reducing. So domain before reducing, everything else after reducing. On this one here, when you factor and reduce, I will actually factor that one with you guys. You get x plus 6 and x minus 2. You find domain. It doesn't reduce, so then you go through and you find your Vaha-Sa. Now the thing is, this one has a slant because it's top heavy, and because it's top heavy, you're going to do long division. And just a reminder, when you do long division, you do it on this one, or if it was given this way, you'd have to FOIL it out. X squared plus 4x minus 12 divided by the x minus 1 to get your slant. Okay, so that's the only hint there. On this one here, the hint I want to give you is once you find all of this and you have your asymptotes and your graphing, here's the hint. Remember, it is possible to cross a horizontal only if you have to. I'll repeat that. Find everything first, because if you're taking these hints before you try it, it's not going to make any sense. So find all this first, go to graph it. Most kids get stuck because you have a section where the arrow should be going in the same direction, and you're like, oh no, the only way to go in the same direction is if I have to cross that asymptote and I'm not supposed to. Yes, you cross a horizontal asymptote only if you have to, and this here is a have to situation. All right, that's the hint there, and that's pretty much it for the quiz. The rest you guys can do on your own. Remember, you can talk with a friend, get some help each other out on not just the quiz, but homework and everything else, supporting each other. All right, that is it for the quiz.